Heading 320.
United 69, same tensions right now.
Landing checklist. Landing gear down and 3 green. Speed brake is armed. Auto brake. Niveau 2. Landing checklist completed. Le gyroscope nous indique bas. Pas que nous sommes bas, on continue.
Southern 1879, wind current 10, clear land.
Glide slope.
Clear land, South 1879.
Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide
50,
slope.
40,
Glide slope.
30, 20, 10.
United 69, are you still trying to land in Baltimore?
Yes, currently in Baltimore. I expect it to turn.
Okay, guys.
Reverse.
United 69, if you don't try to land in Baltimore, you, like, try to turn right and then 050, I will vector you on the runway.
Braking.
Turn left 050.
American 65, 4 miles from Catherine, turn right and then, 040, maintain 2000 until a special weather request number 1, correction hours number 1, runway 1 approach.
040, maintain 2000, full established, ILS, runway 01, American 685.